Election season is always a time for hilarious political ironies, but try this one on, viewer. After Lalu Prasad Yadav's daughter, Meesa Bharati, has threatened to put the Prime Minister in jail if the opposition India bloc comes to power, the BJP has now hit back at Meesa Bharati. JP Nadda, president of the BJP, claims the opposition is frustrated. Take a look at the reaction.
अभी मीसा भारती ने अभी का ये इतने फ्रस्ट्रेटेड हो गए हैं। आप बोलते हो मोदी मोदी मोदी, और ये मोदी जी को गाली देते रहते हैं। कभी सांप, कभी बिच्छू, कभी क्या। इनकी निराशा, इनकी हताशा, इनका फ्रस्ट्रेशन चरम सीमा पर है। अभी जिसने 23 साल तक सबसे सर्वोच्च पद पर रह करके 12 साल से ज्यादा चीफ मिनिस्टर और अब 10 साल से ज्यादा प्रधानमंत्री के रूप में मोदी जी ने देश के प्रधान प्रशासक के रूप में काम किया और एक भी दाग नहीं है, ऐसे को मीसा भारती बोलती है मैं चुनाव के बाद जेल में भेजूंगी।
Poulomi Saha is with me for more perspective on this fresh flashpoint. Poulomi, Meesa Bharati on the front foot, promising to throw Modi behind bars if the India bloc comes to power, demonstrating exactly the kind of thing that the BJP would have probably wanted to hit Lalu Prasad with. Her own father, convicted in multiple corruption cases, happens to be, relaxing outside jail on health grounds. He's supposed to be inside jail. And here she is talking about throwing the Prime Minister into jail.
That's exactly the criticism that JP Nadda makes in that statement when he was speaking at that rally in Port Blair, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, where he basically said that those who are themselves being investigated, remember Meesa Bharati herself is being investigated in various cases at the moment, so those who themselves are being investigated, her father Lalu Yadav out on bail on medical grounds as well, convicted in several cases, them talking about throwing the Prime Minister in jail, it doesn't exactly sit very well. The Prime Minister, of course, JP Nadda says, has absolutely no blot on him as far as any sort of matter is concerned. He has been, of course, providing with a good governance. So this is something which basically he says, JP Nadda says, the BJP hitting out at the RJD and the India bloc, saying that this is basically a sign of the frustration and basic disappointment that they're feeling because their campaign doesn't seem to be picking up in the way that the NDA is campaigning, with the Prime Minister, of course, canvassing across the country every day at the moment, while the India bloc is still trying to put together its numbers, its seat sharing formula, and of course pick up on their campaign trail in terms of holding joint rallies.
Interesting. Thanks very much, Poulomi, for getting us a perspective on this fresh fight that's broken out between Lalu's family and the BJP leadership. Well, days ahead of the Lok Sabha polls kicking off,